6 Passive Income Ideas for Content Creators. After losing my full-time position at a software company in 2023, I was racked with worry and anxiety. Despite the fact that I had lost my main source of income, I still had a mountain of bills and other financial commitments to meet. I made the decision that I would do all in my power to ensure that I would never again be in that circumstance. Soon after, I discovered that billionaires who made it on their own typically have 3 to 4 streams of income. I was aware that my ultimate goal was to become either a billionaire or at the very least, someone who never had to worry about missing a paycheck. Therefore, I've tried to add new revenue streams every year by launching new goods and services through my 2 companies, one in the wedding industry and one as a content producer. Creator, to more passive sources, like as affiliate marketing and the sale of online courses. I presently make 6 figures a year thanks to more than 7 different sources of income. Here are 5 ideas to get you started in 2023 if you're keen to add additional passive income sources to your financial portfolio. Number 1. Asset sharing. Sharing your possessions with others in exchange for a fee is known as asset sharing. You may generate passive money simply by renting out your keys, your space, or an item for a while, depending on the demand in your neighborhood. Make a list of the items you have that others would be interested in renting, and then post the listing on a website where others are looking for access to that asset. For instance, you may hire your car through Turo, your flat through Peerspace for meetings or photo shoots, your garage through Neighbor for storage, and even your baby stroller with BabyQuip. I've rented out space in my apartment before for gatherings, and while it was a fantastic source of cash, there were additional cleaning costs that I had to cover. Despite the fact that I earned a few $100s from doing this, I would probably repeat the process at a higher price to make it profitable. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the quickest and most straightforward way to begin generating passive income if you are a content writer of any type. By using links inside your material, you essentially sell other people's goods or services when you engage in affiliate marketing. You apply to become an affiliate for the goods and services in your niche that you use and adore, and you subsequently get a unique affiliate link that you can use to market those goods and services. Every industry has affiliate programs. To find out who offers them, enter an affiliate program after a keyword or company name relating to your expertise into a Google search. You can contact a business directly to see if you can work anything out if there isn't an affiliate program in place. Are you enrolled in one of my courses or have you purchased one of my digital goods? If so, you may work as an affiliate for me and get your investment back. Get in touch with me via email to get set up if you haven't already signed up for this. For the majority of businesses, being an affiliate usually only requires submitting an application. After being accepted, you will receive a specific URL that is exclusive to you to share. You will receive a commission if someone makes a purchase using your link. Number 3. Dropshipping. Consider dropshipping if you've always wanted to launch an e-commerce side business but didn't want to have to spend money on inventory. One of the most lucrative forms of passive income is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you may buy popular items on online stores like AliExpress and sell them to people all over the world. You may stock your online store with products from a range of dropshipping markets, including fashion, home furnishings, and cosmetics. The appeal of dropshipping is that you may create your own company and set your own prices for the goods. In fact, dropshipping gives you the greatest control over your margins of any passive income strategy on our list. To begin dropshipping now, join up with Shopify. Install one of these dropshipping applications after setting up your online business to locate top-notch goods to sell. Dropshipping is a sort of passive revenue that doesn't even require you to pay for the things up front. Instead, you may create a brand around the things you want to sell and open an online store after deciding what type of products you want to offer. After that, you may add items from dropshipping websites like Spocket and AliExpress. Use websites like AMZ Insight or Jungle Scout to analyze top-selling products on Amazon to identify products with a better possibility of success. The item is retrieved from those platforms and dispatched directly to the customer once they make a purchase on your website, needing little work on your side. In 2021, one entrepreneur who did this made $1.7 million. The one drawback is that it takes a lot of work up front to acquire an audience, from building the website to marketing. Take a free course on Shopify or Udemy to learn more about how to achieve this. I've thought about doing this in the past, but I ultimately opted against it since I preferred to discover ways to market goods that I had made myself. In the end, I achieved it by developing a card game and offering it for sale on my website. The biggest problem is having to keep stuff in my little flat, even though it generates passive revenue every month. Number 4. Investing in crowdfunded real estate. The money you may generate by purchasing real estate properties and renting them out is one of the most often discussed sources of passive income. There are alternative methods to generate passive income from real estate for people who lack the funds to invest in a second home. A crowdfunding site is another alternative if you want to invest in real estate but don't want to do a lot of the labor-intensive tasks, maintenance, repairs, dealing with renters, and more. Real estate is chosen by a skilled investing team, after which you can decide whether to invest in it and how much you feel comfortable with. The real estate platform would charge you a yearly management fee, and your initial investments might be as little as $10 or as much as $100,000. If you want to get started in real estate investment without purchasing a home of your own, you may, for instance, invest in crowdfunded real estate assets or funds. I'm interested in doing this in 2023. Ideally generate ongoing passive revenue. Using Fundrise, you may start investing in a starter portfolio of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, for as little as $500. Another option is Realty Shares, which needs a $5,000 minimum commitment. Number 5. Create and sell online courses. Selling online courses could be an excellent passive income concept for you if you are an expert in a certain area or industry. You'll find plenty of people who are prepared to pay to access your information, whether you sell it through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy. Of course, selling on sites like Udemy makes things simpler, but there may be times when your course is significantly reduced. Your ability to produce passive money will be impacted by this. Contrarily, if you sell through your own website, you have control over pricing, therefore you won't have to give up your profit margins simply because someone else is offering a lower price. I did it because I believed it would be a nice opportunity to share my knowledge of spreadsheets with others since I was learning a lot about them. In 2 years, it started to gain traction. In that time, it was receiving more than 100,000 page visits each month. I made the decision to develop an online course to test whether it would be popular, and it was. When analyzing the sources of income of the world's wealthiest people, it is without a doubt that stocks have contributed significantly to their enormous, unrestricted bank balances. Number 6. Invest in stocks. When examining the sources of income of the world's wealthiest individuals, it is very certain that stocks have played a significant part in their extensive, limitless bank accounts. While buying stocks is a rather passive activity, the research that goes into it is active. Although Warren Buffett reads 500 pages per day, these are not your typical mysteries. He reviews yearly reports from companies. He has a better understanding of a company's performance through this, which enhances his stock investment skills. Your value at your 9-to-5 work may not even come close to what you can make passively through stock investing. Consider this passive income notion, then, if you keep up with changes in the markets and your business. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.